This is currently the hot cake on Telegram, and I'm going to explain to you what it's all about and why you should start mining it in case you have not started. This project is called Wrapped Pi. I already made a video on this on my TikTok channel and it raised a lot of controversies. People were asking, is this project actually backed by the Pi network? Why should I mine this Pi network? Those are the things I'm going to address for you in this video. But first of all, click the link that is in the description box of this video if you want to register. Once you register, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. And all you basically have to do is to keep coming into this your bot every day to click on this claim. As you can see, I have already claimed 29 Pi, and as you can see, it is currently locked. Don't mind that it is locked. I'm going to show you how you can withdraw. Now, once you're on this page, the next thing you want to do is to click on this task here. Once you go to this task, you're going to see different tasks that you are required to do. Look at this one, join Discord. As you can see, I have not completed it. I'm going to complete it after this video. Boost channel, join community, follow X. These are basically simple tasks that you've been doing before. Now, if you come to this top 100 here, you can see these are the people currently leading in this project. Zimansky is number 1, Vindicated Cheat is number 2, we have Blockchain Stage here as number 3. Then we have some of all these ones that I do not know, and here I am number 7. So if you scroll up, these are the top 100 people leading in this project. Now, if you come to this P2P section, this is basically how it looks like, and this is where you get to withdraw your Wrapped Pi if you want to withdraw. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal here is 5 Wrapped Pi. Now, if I come to this mining page, you can see on this my locked balance, they said 98 days, 6 hours, 59 minutes. This is what it means. They will unlock my Pi for me after 98 days and I'll be able to withdraw it. And this is available only to early adopters. That is people that are joining this project early. So if you join right now, you're going to be among the list of early adopters and your countdown is going to begin from 100 days. Once the 100 days period elapses, you'll be able to withdraw this your locked Pi. All you have to do to withdraw is to go to this P2P section here and then you put in your Pi wallet, put in the amount you want to sell, and then you click on sell to withdraw. It is going to be on Ton blockchain, Solana blockchain, BNB blockchain, ETH blockchain, and maybe they might even be adding other blockchains we do not know. But this is the basics as to what you need to do once you register on this page. If you want to refer people, this is where you get to get your referral link. So you can see it is simple. Now, what is this project about? Why should you mine Wrapped Pi? And is Wrapped Pi actually backed by the Pi network? Here is it. A lot of you might not be aware, but there is something called Wrapped Bitcoin. That is Wrapped BTC. Just as we have the normal Bitcoin, we also have Wrapped Bitcoin. Just as we also have the normal ETH, that's Ethereum, we also have Wrapped ETH. The people or the developers of Bitcoin, which is Satoshi, is different from the people who developed Wrapped Bitcoin. Also, those who developed Ethereum is also different from people who developed Wrapped Ethereum. So that is how Pi Network is. Those who developed Pi Network is also different from those who developed this Wrapped Pi Network. And the essence of developing a wrapped token is just one thing: to make the coin able to function on different blockchain. For instance, Pi functions on a closed system. That is why you see on the Pi browser, Pi is developing different mainnet app every day. They are developing a lot of things within its ecosystem. So when all of these services goes live, you'll be able to spend your Pi coin within Pi ecosystem. So if there is a marketing app on Pi ecosystem, for instance, you'll be able to use your Pi to purchase it. If there is a game in Pi ecosystem, for instance, you'll be able to use your Pi to pay for those games and any other services. Now, imagine if the game you're interested in or those services you're interested in is on Bitcoin blockchain, but you want to use your Pi to pay. You'll not be able to use your Pi to pay on Bitcoin blockchain. This is where Wrapped Pi comes in. So for you to be able to spend your normal Pi network on any of these exchanges like Bitcoin, Solana, or Ethereum, you now have to convert your Pi network from Pi to Wrapped Pi. Similarly, if you have Bitcoin and you want to spend your Bitcoin on other blockchains, you have to convert your Bitcoin from Bitcoin to Wrapped Bitcoin. Then you'll be able to spend it in any other blockchain at all. And when you are done with what you are doing on that blockchain, you can still convert your Wrapped Bitcoin back into your normal Bitcoin. And it functions as 1:1. That means one Wrapped Pi coin equals to one Pi coin. So if Pi is worth $1, Wrapped Pi is also going to be worth $1. And as such, it is not going to be volatile. So while this project is not directly linked to the Pi core team, it is a good innovation. Now, here is my advice. As at the time of making this video, Mining on this platform is very free. All you just have to do is to come in daily and click on this claim, and that is all there is to it until you get to withdraw. Now, Telegram projects have been known for later asking people to do turn transactions or to pay stars or this and that. This project is very good, and with where they've started, they are going on a good trajectory. But if they eventually in the future ask for any transaction or whatsoever, I will advise you to abort the project with immediate effect. As for me, once they start asking for anything transaction or whatsoever, then that means the project is now starting to turn out to be scam, and I am going to abort it. But if you follow what they are saying on their X handle, you can see that they are really doing a lot, because I'm following them on their X, and I think you should go and do so also. So you'll be getting information from them. So you can see they are really doing a lot. I think Vindicated Cheat even wrote a content on this, as you can see, talking about the project. So this is them on their X. You can go and follow them on their X, so you get first-hand information when they release them. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And use the link in the description box of this video to join my Telegram channel so you stay in touch.